Hey everyone, today we will see how to create a user mailbox in Exchange Server from Exchange Admin Center. So this is my Exchange Admin Center. To create a new user mailbox, click on this plus icon, select for user mailbox. If you have already an Active Directory account is present, then you can choose for this option, existing user. If not, then select for this new user. Provide all the details for your new user mailbox. I will select the first name as user, the last name for mailbox 8. So it will take the display name as user mailbox 8. And I will place this user mailbox in users organization unit. So select for user logon name. I will provide the user logon name as user.mailbox8@lab.com. So by this user logon name, the user will able to log in to his webmail or to his Outlook profile. Provide password for this user mailbox. Click on this more option and select for mailbox database and select the mailbox database where you want to place this user mailbox. So I will select for mailbox database 2. So if you want to apply archive or enable the archive feature, you can select for this archive feature and select for database as well. For this mailbox, I will not select an archive feature. I will select just for the user mailbox storage. Click on save. So within a few seconds, the user mailbox will get provisioned. You can check the details of this user mailbox by opening this property of this user mailbox. We can see all the details of this display name and user logon name are correctly set. In this time, you can check for the mailbox usage. For now, we haven't logged in for this user mailbox. You can check the email address details from this tab, and if you want to add any secondary email address, you can just add from here. Here you can see the mailbox feature and mailbox delegation as well. Now we will log into this user mailbox 8. So I will copy this user logon name and we have to browse this URL https localhost/OVA. Instead of localhost, you can enter your OVA URL or this Exchange server name. So my domain name is lab in the user logon name and the password. So when you first time log into this mailbox, you have to select the language and the time zone. Click on save. So here I am able to log into this mailbox. You can check the details. Now we can send and receive emails from this user mailbox. So this way you can create a new user mailbox from Exchange Admin Center and can log into the newly created mailbox. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section. And finally, thanks for watching.